How to change your profile picture on Discord mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left. Then click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And on this page right here, click on your profile picture. And then click on the pencil at the top left of the profile picture. You will get this pop-up window at the bottom, from which you need to click the first option that says change. And you will be redirected to your gallery, where you will be able to choose your new profile picture. Once you have done that, you will get to this page right here where you will be able to edit your photo, and once you're done, click on the check mark at the top right, and as you can see, the profile picture has been changed. So let's click on save at the top right to save the changes. And there you have it. You have just changed your Discord profile picture on your mobile device. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change Discord profile picture on mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that, I'll see you in the next video.